I'm going to teach you how to use the unique function in Excel in just 2 minutes. If you need to extract unique values from a range and remove duplicates, the unique function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with customer names listed in column B. We want to extract the unique customer names from this list. To get started, let's begin by entering the unique command. The unique function takes 3 parameters, but only the first one is required. The first parameter is the array, which is the range of cells you want to extract unique values from. In our example, we'll select the range B2 to B20. So if you type equals unique B2 to B20, Excel will extract the unique values from this range. Press enter and you will see the unique customer names in the selected column. This basic use of the unique function will show you all distinct names, including both duplicates and names that appear only once. Now, what if you want to see only the customer names that appear once in the list, excluding all duplicates? This can be done easily with a different approach. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. So, to see only the customer names that appear once in the list, we'll use an additional argument in the unique function. The first parameter remains the same because it's the same range, B2 to B20. The second parameter by column can be skipped. Don't worry about this one. For our case, you can leave it blank by simply putting another comma. The third parameter, exactly once, should be set to true. This tells Excel to return only the values that appear exactly once in the range, excluding any duplicates. So, if you type equals unique B2 to B20, comma, another comma, and then true, Excel will return only the values that appear once in the range. Press enter and you will see only the unique customer names that appear exactly once. And that's how it works.